Prairie Plant Girl here. Now, here's a little video that's a little bit different, but I thought some people might be interested because I know we couldn't find information on it when we wanted to know. So this is a pool that we put up last summer, and not a lot of information on a small above ground pool like this for what to do for the winter, but we drained it down. It's a 12-foot round. We drained it down below the inlet and outlet, and we had a winter cover on it, just an Arctic Armor, I believe it was, winter cover. And I just took that off. You can see the water itself isn't bad, but there's a lot of sediment and debris on the bottom. I don't know if you can tell, a little bit scungy on the side. I just took a temperature reading, and it's just over 20 degrees Celsius. Now the winter cover is black, so it's probably helped absorb some heat. But it was frozen solid over the winter, and you can see along the sides there, doesn't seem to be any damage to it. We went all the way around. Sorry, the wind's a little breezy here, but a little bit of shadows. I'll show you the inlet and the outlet. So we just left this on because you cut a hole in the liner to put it on, so we didn't want to take it off, and just kept it empty. Took apart all the hoses and everything, so nothing was connected over the winter. Left it like that. The cover it only came to about here and then came down the sides, but this was open over the winter. It got snowed in, it melted. We had several big snow dumps, and then thawed and then like we were over minus 35, I think, for a few weeks. Minus 35 Celsius for a few weeks in the summer, or I mean the winter. So I would say that it held up pretty well. A little bit of gapping there. I can't remember if that was there in the summer or not. But so the next step, I think, is going to be to get a leaf rake out and just try and get some of that sediment picked up. Now, to winterize it, I just put it, I had it up to shock levels with the chlorine for several days, running the pump pretty much 24 hours. And then I used an algicide product just to keep the algae from growing once it warmed up, but until it got real cold out. I waited until it was about, I don't know, probably 15 or less Celsius before I did all that. And like I said, then we just disconnected all the pumps and everything, filters, and covered it up. So that's what it looked like when we opened it up. Alright, I'll be back when I've got some more work done. Okay, so we've vacuumed out the pool and scrubbed the sides down, gave it a good cleaning, added some stabilizer and some chlorine, and running the filter for a few days, for about 6 hours a day. It's looking pretty good. So that's what it looks like once you've opened it up in the spring and cleaned it all up. Just have to get the temperature up and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.